This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the Auto Darkening Filter, ADF module, because this is the one dependable repair. Once done, take out the battery and unplug the ribbon or snap connector. You want a clean, dead circuit to avoid shorts. Make sure to keep screws and spacers organized and photograph the connector orientation for reassembly. Clean contacts with contact cleaner and a soft brush so the replacement sits on reliable surfaces. This eliminates intermittent failures and sets up the next step without guessing. Now you install the replacement ADF module because repairing internal electronics rarely lasts. Begin by aligning the module so its sensor windows face the helmet cutouts and its connector matches the board orientation. This prevents reversed polarity or blocked sensors. Once seated, reconnect the ribbon or snap connector firmly and replace the battery or insert the provided backup cell. Make sure gaskets and foam pads compress evenly to avoid light leaks. Then close the cover and torque screws snugly, not over-tightened. You finish by powering the helmet and checking functionality. Set sensitivity to mid-range and delay to 1/2 second, then use a bright flashlight or arc simulator to confirm the lens darkens instantly and recovers cleanly. If it fails, make sure sensors are unobstructed and oriented outward. A common issue is reversed or blocked sensor windows. Also reseat the connector and try a fresh battery. If problems persist, swap the ADF into a different helmet or bench test it to isolate whether the helmet shell or module is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.